In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove the background from any photo using Canva. This is super useful for creating YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, logos, and more. With Canva's built-in tools, you don't need advanced software or editing skills to get a clean professional result. So let's get started. So open up the Canva app on your phone. And what you want to do with Canva's Background Remover, it is a pro feature, but they do offer a 14-day free trial. So if you don't have Pro, you can start a free trial and cancel before the 14 days end if you don't want to keep this subscription. So create a design and choose your preferred size. So if you're making a YouTube thumbnail, you can choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. And now from here, what you want to do is upload a photo that you're wanting to remove the background of. So if I scroll across and go to uploads, and if I pick one of the pictures, let's see. So then what you want to do is make sure that you are selected on the image. As you can see here, I'm just tapping on the image and there is an option for BG remover. Tap on this. And basically just let Canva work its magic. You'll see in a second. There you go. That has removed the background. So then what I can do from here is I can customize the image. So once the background is gone, I can now add in a new background. So let's see. Let's go palm trees. Even though I'm wearing a coat. Let's pick this and make sure that it fits the picture. Then what we want to do is just make sure that this picture is behind. And there you go. That's basically it.